What's up, Wednesday? What's going on? Roxy with Information Referral and Relocation. So today we're in the exchange and I want to talk to you about hurricanes. But first off, let me get my guns here. Here we go. We got our guns coming in. I've got, if you don't know, this is a Gunny Campbell and we've got Gunny Payne over here with the Business and Operations staff NCOIC, correct?
That's correct.
And the Marine and Family Program staff NCOIC. So they're going to help me here at the exchange, get some things to get prepared. But Gunny this side, I guess.
Yep.
What do we have that can kind of help us out, like shelter-wise on base?
So Cherry Point has one designated hurricane shelter at this point, and that is the Cherry Tree House.
Okay.
Building 4415. It's located on 4th Avenue between E and F streets.
Perfect. Okay, so and while this video is running, if you have any questions, comments, make sure you put it in. This is going to be on all the social media, so make sure that it happens. And then, what about for you? What do we have, like the hurricanes coming from a business standpoint?
Well, AmeriCorps Community Services, we keep the gas station, the troop store, and all of our amenities open as long as possible, to include the roadhouse, to provide food and power, gasoline to our families. And then after the hurricane, we get them up and running the moment we can, so that we have a little gap.
Little take care of. I like that. Your guns are taking care of you on both ends. All right, gentlemen, start your engines. I think we're going to do some shopping and find all the things exchanged to be us prepared for a hurricane. Let's go. Cool. We have a bin that's just always prepped and ready, and then every season we just kind of have to go through. One thing we always make sure we have in it are flashlights. So what did you guys find?
So we found a bunch of stuff, actually. You know, in the event of a blackout, it's always good to have extra phone chargers, just in case, you know, you lose power. Games to keep you occupied, you know, in those moments where your TV's out. Obviously the essentials for when you don't have to run to the store, so. And then
After that, you got to make sure the family's taken care of. So we've got everything you need to cook. So we've got your grill that doesn't require any power or anything like that. The propane, all the cooking utensils needed to do that without an electricity grid. Safe clothing is a must. After a hurricane, you're going to deal with a lot of water and debris. So you want to make sure you're protected. Speaking of water, you can't trust any of the water that does come out of the pipes. So make sure that you've got clean water to keep yourself and your family well hydrated.
No, I love that. And actually, we're going to put some links in the social media so you know kind of per your family how much water that you should have. We also, people have babies, right? You got nothing, you don't want to go cloth diapers if you don't have to. But make sure you've got plenty of supplies, you've got your wipes. Make sure, additionally, anything that you need for the kids, even medication-wise, things to consider. Okay, I know Gunny Payne has a dog. I have a dog. You've got a dog. We're all dog people here. Make sure your pets are taken care of, too, to include on the water side. What else, guys? Any other great tips? How about, what's this thing?
Arguably the most important.
It really is. I feel like I've known both of these Gunnies long enough to say they need a larger first aid kit during situations like this. But making sure that everybody's taken care of. Did we miss anything, guys? Well, the after cleanup, right? I think we hit most of it. Make sure you have candles. Again, we're going to have a lot of this stuff linked down in there. The exchange has all of this just waiting for you. So with the guns, for us here at MCCS, be safe to this hurricane season. It is coming upon us literally now. So what's up, Wednesday? Have a great one.